Hello everyone, this is Red 13. Today I'm playing against Misha, another French player. I'm playing Black Panther and he's playing Black Widow. He started by using the mission that forced me to discard 2 cards from my hand. And he will now draw until he gets a new mission. He gets the Bullet-Based Gambit that allow him to draw 5 cards if he has 2 cards or less in his hand. He continues his turn with a maneuver. He spread across the map Maria and Black Widow, and this is now the turn of Black Panther. Black Panther started with a Torii scheme that will steal 2 cards from the deck of Black Widow. One mission is stolen, so the Mad Reaper plus a 4-value defense. So 2 great cards have been stolen here, and then I'm making a maneuver. This is now the turn of Black Widow. She boosts her maneuver . And now Black Widow is attacking Shuri. This is a bait attack, so the 1-value attack. As the combat has been won, so Shuri is able to move one of the fighter up to 3 spaces. So Shuri is moving Black Widow away. And this is now Maria that attacks with a 4-value attack against a 2-value defense. But after combat, Shuri recover 1 health. So Shuri lose 1 HP here. And thanks to the card of Maria, Black Widow and Maria Hill can move up to 3 spaces, plus a mission will be sent back to the deck. And Misha is sending back to his deck the mission that forced me to discard 2 cards from my hand. Black Panther is making a maneuver and a second one, because he only have 1 card in hand at the beginning of the turn. Black Widow is making a maneuver. The target here is to kill Shuri as soon as possible, in order for her to not use her 2 skins that will steal 4 cards from the deck of Black Widow. Black Widow is now attacking Shuri. This is defending with a feint against a 3-value attack, so 1 damage for Shuri. And the after combat of the card is cancelled. Black Panther is making now a maneuver. The movement is boosted with the card stolen from Black Widow deck in order to draw another card. And Black Panther is now attacking Black Widow with a 1-value attack that can be boosted. This is defended with a feint, so no damage here. This is now the turn of Black Widow. She's making a maneuver that is boosted in order to be able to reach Shuri. Black Widow is moving now 4 spaces. This is defended with a regroup, so this is a 4-value attack against a 1-value defense, 3 damage taken by Shuri. Shuri will draw a card. This is the scheme that have been drawn, and Shuri is using the scheme to steal 2 cards. Again, another mission have been stolen, plus a Maria Hill card. 2 great cards again have been stolen here. Black Widow is making a maneuver. and using the mission, the Firenze agenda, because she is adjacent to Shuri, so 2 damage to Shuri plus Black Panther because he's also in the zone of Black Widow. And there is no more missions in the deck, so Black Widow is not getting any mission here. Black Panther is making a maneuver and will attack Black Widow. This is a 2-value attack against offense, so the attack cannot be boosted. Black Widow is using her last mission in order to draw 5 cards. And Black Panther will discard a random card, so this is the 4-value versatile that is discarded here. And then Black Widow is attacking Black Panther. This is a 4-value attack against a 2-value defense that can be boosted. This is boosted with a 3-value, so no damage here. And Black Panther will draw a card because he boosts, and because he won the combat, he will not discard a card. So this cancels the effect of the attack of Black Widow. Black Panther is making a maneuver. And the second one. Black Widow is making a maneuver. Now we have 7 cards in hand. The maneuver is boosted with the Maria Hill Revive card. In order for Misha to be able to attack Black Panther with Black Widow. And Black Widow is attacking Black Panther. So this is a 1-value attack against a 4-value defense. Black Panther won the combat, so it's still another card from the deck of Black Widow. This is a 5-value attack that has been stolen. Black Widow gain an action thanks to his 1-value attack. With this new action gain, this is another attack, a 4-value attack, but this time this is not defended, so Black Panther is taking 4 damages, and as he lost the combat, he will have to discard a card. So he discard a scheme. Black Panther is now making a maneuver. And another one. This is now the turn of Black Widow. She's making a maneuver. And will attack Black Panther. This is a 3-value defense against a 3-value attack. After combat, Black Panther is drawing a card. Black Panther now have 11 cards left in his deck, and Black Widow only 6. Black Widow moves Black Panther thanks to a card. This is now the turn of Black Panther. He's making a maneuver. He cannot reach Black Widow, so he will attack Maria Hill. This is a 3-value attack against a 0-value defense. So Maria Hill is taking 3 damage here, and after combat, Black Panther is again stealing a card from Black Widow deck. Maria Hill starts by attacking Black Panther. This is a 2-value defense against a 4-value attack. The effect is cancelled, so Maria Hill will not shuffle a mission back in the deck, and Black Panther is taking 2 damage. As a second action, Black Widow is making a maneuver. Black Panther starts by making a maneuver. Black Widow is making 2 maneuvers here. This is now the turn of Black Panther. He's making a maneuver. And the second one. So Black Widow now only have 2 cards left in her deck, and Black Panther 6. Black Widow is making a maneuver in order to be able to attack Black Panther. This is a 3-value attack against a 2-value defense that can be boosted. Black Panther is boosting the defense, so no damage taken here. And as is boosted the defense, is draw a card. Black Panther starts by attacking Black Widow. This is a 3-value attack against a 3-value defense. Black Widow can swap Maria Hill and Black Widow if she wants, and after combat, the last card of the deck of Black Widow is stolen. using his scheme to move 3 spaces away and gain an action, and will end his turn by making a maneuver. Black Widow do not have any more cards in her deck. Both Black Widow and Mariail are taking 2 damage from fatigue, and Black Widow will attack Black Panther. This is a 5 value attack against a 1 value defense, but the value of the boost of Black Widow is added, plus the defense can be boosted. Black Panther will boost the defense in order to not take any damage. He will draw a card. Black Widow can move up to 3 spaces. Black Panther is using his last scheme to reach Black Widow. He gains an action, so he still has 2 actions to attack. First attack is a Wakanda. This time, Black Widow decides to switch Mariail and Black Widow. The Wakanda is not boosted, as it's not worth it anymore to kill Mariail. And then Black Panther is making a maneuver. Beginning of the turn of Black Widow, due to the fatigue, Mariail takes 2 damage and is defeated, and Black Widow is taking 2 damage. Black Widow is making a second maneuver, so 4 damage taken this turn. Black Panther is making 2 maneuvers. He is waiting Black Widow. Black Widow is making a maneuver boosted, so taking again damage here. This is a 4 value attack against a 4 value defense. Black Panther is making a maneuver, so he's taking 2 damage from fatigue, and he's attacking Black Widow with his last attack. This Wakanda Forever is boosted with 8 value boost.